You must have noticed some people recover very quickly from illness while others take much longer. And there are many factors behind it. But one of the biggest is stress. Most of us think that the body only needs the right nutrition, right exercise, and right schedule. But if the nervous system is not calm, if the body is not at ease, no food in this world can truly nourish you. Your body needs to feel safe. And when you are constantly stressed, your body simply doesn't heal. This stress keeps you in flight or fight mode. That's why your cortisol rises, inflammation rises, and your immunity drops. And the real problem is most of us are stuck there in chronic stress, in constant survival mode. So, what's the way out? In yoga, Pranayama offers a very powerful answer. It's not about boosting immunity like a supplement. It's about shifting your nervous system out of this survival mode. And when your body feels safe, it naturally begins to heal. So today, I'll be sharing 3 very powerful practices that can help you reduce this stress and over time support better immunity. So before we start, let's understand very basic of Pranayama, that how to sit in Pranayam and how to breathe in a right manner. Let's begin with the first practice. So let's understand how to sit in a right manner. You know what? Most of the time people fail in Pranayam because they don't understand how to sit in Pranayam. Whenever you are sitting for it, place a bolster or a pillow like this and place your pelvis on that in such manner. Then open your legs wide, tuck your one heel in close to your perineum, then the other heel in front of your ankle, and sit in such a manner where your waistline is higher than or equivalent to your knee height. When you are sitting like this, you are not putting any additional effort to keep the spine straight. It is naturally straight and you will not feel tired while doing pranayam. And the second most important thing, how to breathe in a right manner. People start doing pranayam but they don't know how to breathe in or breathe out. So understand, whenever you are breathing in, you use your nostril to breathe in, and the impact of your inhalation should first go on your belly and then come on your chest. Suppose that you are inhaling, so let your stomach expand, then your chest expand. So this is your full complete breath. Now I'm going to teach you those 3 powerful pranayam, but foundation remains same. You're going to sit like this and you're going to breathe in a same pattern. Now, talking about those who can't sit on floor due to certain issues, it's fine. You can simply sit over a chair with straight spine. That will be also helpful. So first practice is Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. It is called the balancing pranayama or the first of all pranayama. It works on regulating the autonomic nervous system, bringing harmony between flight and fight mode and your rest and repair mode. So research shows that this practice can reduce heart rate, calm the mind, and improve your oxygen efficiency. And when your system shifts into relaxation, inflammation naturally reduces, immunity starts functioning better. So this is not just a breathing technique, it is a way to bring your entire system back into balance. Contraindication of this breathing is you have to avoid if you have severe nasal blockage or active sinus infection. Those who are with very low blood pressure should practice gently and don't hold your breath. While you are on your periods, don't hold the breath. And beginner should avoid forcing the breath or holding it for longer duration. So let's start with the practice. To do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, you have to make Vishnu Mudra of your right hand. You have to bend the index and middle finger like this. Then turn the palm toward your face. Now you are going to use your thumb to close your right nostril and your ring finger to close your left nostril. Technique is very simple. You have to first exhale from both the nostrils. Then close your right nostril using the thumb gently. Now inhale from left nostril. Hold your breath. And exhale from right nostril. Then inhale from right nostril. Hold your breath. And exhale from left nostril. 2 things you have to keep in mind when you are practicing Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. First, that your inhalation, hold and exhalation should be of equal time ratio. Example, if you are inhaling for 5 seconds, then your hold, your retention should be of 5 seconds and your exhalation should also be of 5 seconds. And second, this particular breath is soundless. There should be 0 sound of inhale, hold or exhale. Do this practice for 5 to 10 minutes. Now coming to the second breath, Ujay Pranayam. Ujay means victorious breath. It is a very simple yet very powerful practice in yoga. Scientifically, Ujjayi works by gently stimulating the vagus nerve, which helps in calming the nervous system and regulating your stress. It is a slow deep breathing technique where we slightly contract the throat, basically back part of the throat, while breathing through nose. So nostril is a passage, contraction is done by your throat. This creates a soft sound like ocean waves or a light snoring sound or someone whispering in your ear. Now let's learn how to do it. You have to sit in a comfortable asana, sukhasana or ardha the way I am sitting it. Keep your spine relaxed and your body must be at ease. Now gently bring your awareness toward your throat. Slightly contract the back of throat and very gently start breathing using your nostril and engaging the throat. So it will sound like then hold it and slowly exhale in the same manner. When you are a beginner, retention is not recommended, but when you grow in this practice, you also start retaining the breath. Now, if you're confused with this particular breath, imagine you're trying to fog a mirror. How do you fog a mirror? Suppose that this is a mirror and you have to fog it. What do? You do. So the sound which is coming, same sound is done when you are doing Ujay breath. So in this breath, don't force anything. The moment you force pranayam, you lose the essence of pranayam. This practice is very helpful in reducing your stress, calming the nervous system and improving your focus. Plus, it also helps you in getting better sleep. So what are the contraindications of this practice? Those who are suffering from heart disease should avoid this breath retention and do this breath work very gently. If you are facing low blood pressure in your life, don't do this practice. If you are the person who is depressed or introvert in nature, never ever do Ujjayi. It will take you more low. And now, the third and very powerful and interesting practice, which is Brahari Pranayam. Brahari, the humming bee breath. It works through sound vibrations. And this is where science becomes very interesting. Research shows that humming can significantly increase nitric oxide production in the nasal passage. Nitric oxide helps in fighting pathogens, improving oxygen absorption and supporting respiratory immunity. At the same time, the vibration calms the mind, reduces anxiety and releases all the mental tension. So when you practice Brahari, the gentle humming is not just relaxing, it is actually strengthening your body's natural defense system. So what will be the contraindication of this practice? You have to avoid it in case of severe ear infection or pain. Those who have very high blood pressure should practice without force and avoid long retentions. People with migraine should practice gently and observe their comfort. Now let's understand how to do Brahari. There are many mudras to apply in Brahari, but I'll make it very simple. Simply use your index finger, close your ear like this, take a deep breath in. Remember the method? First belly expands, then chest expands. So take a deep breath in. Then with the humming sound, exhale. Do it for 5 to 10 minutes. You know what? When you are doing Brahari, you are also doing Pratyahar practice. Basically, you are withdrawing your two senses, shutting the eyes and closing the ear. Now, your mind is not scattered everywhere. Now, your mind is focused, and that's the reason it actually helps you in decreasing your stress levels. These three pranayam, Nadi Shodhan, Ujjayi and Brahari may look simple to you, but their impact is very deep. With regular practice, you are not just improving your breath, you are training your body to shift from stress to balance and then to healing. So take out few minutes every day, sit with your breath and allow your body to do what it is naturally designed to do, heal and protect itself. It won't take much time. If you don't have 30 minutes, at least give 5 minutes to each practice and at least start showing up every day. I'll see you soon with the new practice. Hari Om.